this one. See, it got the antonym for you to learn the opposite. See, it's alike and different, right? Got some more things here. And a little tip, you can buy all these books in Amazon. You can search for it, or maybe even some local bookshops. Our last book, 365 Science Activities. 365 science activities. All these activities to do. There's a bonus at the back. That is the 366 activities. Got all these, and we're going to do 2 experiments from this book. You can buy this at Amazon or local bookshop. Let's get into our first project. Alright guys, I've got my first project. Got a string, no need this for the second one. Got a glass of full water and just an ugly picture of a red arrow. Right, I am going to put this arrow behind this glass of water, okay? It's water, okay? Look what happens. See the arrow? It's pointing that way. Now, it's pointing this way. Do you know what happened? It's because of the reflection. You can check out more in this 365 Science Activities book. Let's do the next project. I am going to pick up an ice with this string, right? We don't need these. I'm going to get some ice and salt. So, you wait here. See my materials. I got this string, I said it before, some salt, a box of salt, and some ice. It's melting now. So, step 1, we put the string at the end of the ice here. Then put some salt over the string. And we'll wait for 20 seconds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Picking up ice. Picking up ice, easy. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, or if you want to get these books, or if you want to try these experiments, please smash like.